Hello everyone, and today we are going to learn what kind of numbers will have terminating decimal expansion. Here you can see what kind of numbers will end with 0, whose decimal expansion is ending. I have taken a certain examples here, like 3 by 4. When you divide 3 by 4, the decimal expansion will be 0.75, which has an end. The decimal expansion also will have the remainder 0 here. So 36 by 100 can be written as 0.36. 329 by 400, the decimal expansion is 0.8225. 24 by 5 is 4.8, 33 by 8 is 4.125, 29 by 25 is 1.16. These all are having terminating decimal expansion, whereas here you observe 1 by 3, 0.333 dot dot dot. That means 3 is repeating infinite times. 1 by 9 is 0.1 bar. 1 by 11 is 0.09 bar. That means 09 is the repeating block of digits. 2 by 15 is 0.13 bar. The bar is only on 3, so 1 is not repeating. This is a kind of mixed recurring decimal expansion. So here you see that this is never ending decimal expansion. These all are non-terminating, but these are terminating. Why? What is this? What is that speciality that these are having a terminating decimal expansion? If you can see, you just observe the denominators of these numbers. Here denominator of 3 is 4, denominator is 100, here denominator is 400, denominator is 5, 8, 25. So these numbers, denominators, are different from these all numbers. Okay, you see 4 is a number which can be expressed in terms of 2, that is, it is a 2 square, 2 into 2, 2 square. 100 can be written as 2 square into 5 square, isn't it? 100 can be written as 2 square into 5 square. By taking the prime factorization of these numbers, we can do that. So here you see 400 can be, how the 400 can be expressed. So this 400 can be expressed as 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 2. Okay, and this 5 is as it is 5 raised to 1, it is written. 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3. 25 can be written as 5 raised to 2. So these kind of numbers, the decimal number, the denominators, if they can be expressed in this form, either the power of 2 or the power of 5 or the power of both 2 and 5, then we can say that the numbers will have terminating decimal expansion. Whereas here it is 3, 9, 11, 15 or any other number which are not in the form of 2 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2, in the form of power of 2, power of 5 or power of both 2 and 5, then those numbers are not will not have the terminating decimal expansion. So you can also take this as numbers which have denominators of the form 2 raised to m, 5 raised to n or 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n will have terminating decimal expansion. Okay, now there is an assignment for you. Tell me which are the terminating expansions in the following numbers. Out of these numbers, you tell me which are terminating and which are non-terminating decimal expansions. 9 by 50. Out of these three, you tell me which are having terminating decimal expansion, which do not have terminating decimal expansion. If you understood the concept and if you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.